Ngomurigitoro mo senata nera tumanye ichinkwane chyo kurende tukero tukosuka busema bori yangabere ndosoma gandro kitutu masaba nkoigo mushimo zaire janda kago kwana gainga mbao merana negati yabara ikorwa sense moyo kwa mere serikali no mushimo Dr. Fred Matiang'i mbamwari kanitia se obora ibage siasa chinkoma chiarata renga mushimo Matiang'i na banda kara kolega sine serikali from where you sit chinkwana chumwe shimo ajanda senga njovulate nero bereka kuru chinkwane chyo. Is it true Mheshimiwa Matiang'i were approached to work with the government? Was never any plans to join government?
Tindeti okwana gendo ntawati any fact ntimbwati fact nga Matiang'i were approached with anyone. Tindeti okwana bintu bigo kwana on the streets. Naande bunanateba Matiang'i is the deputy party leader of Jubilee. So ubuna Matiang'i were approached. Abantu bale best gototebi are either Jubilee officials kemosi ebina byo bintabo na tonya kwereneriga teri gototebi nga otorangeri twiraneka kamanyete ngere Jubilee intoto choreranda ODM aina ara maswali abantu gotenga ki babera approached as a party kwarire ikiagara legal inches inde bonega amin ODM kelima etenga part of ODM elibono tutari kuigwana nero nere approached unabona ke karwali na ibasha iko bale approached bagenda kubanga buna wakoraki ikina bongo comment lakini about umurayone Matiang'i and being approached echi rumors ndabe kuchaka kwereneriga ebintu zaira gukwana I think it's beneath me kuchaka go discuss ebintu zaira gukwana ekera goteba ngari baigwana nire nkalonzo kuchaka ba bona enchumo ina soka gocha mwina ngo mawali ticket koseza what does it mean kwatebire mwina ali batebire nkalonzo bono nchumuina muina ngo mabali ticket zairi ta gotorra na bana so atindi gocha goisana sagatu lowa myself kwereneri zairi